Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to tell you about secret but very useful iPhone 15 Pro Max trick. This trick will make your iPhone last longer and your battery percentage will remain at 100 even after heavy usage. So let's start the video. First, you have to open settings in your iPhone, then scroll down and go to battery section. Here tap on health and charging. You can see my iPhone has still 100% battery health even after 6 months of usage. You can also make your iPhone like this. Now you have to tap on charging optimization, and here you can see three options. One is optimized battery charging, the second is 80% limit, and the third one is none. You have to select the second option, which is 80% limit. This second will make your iPhone to not charge over 80% and automatically disconnect from charger. I am using this feature from 6 months and still my phone battery is 100%. You should also try this and make your phone much better than before. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.